What's up, YouTube? Just got done taking off my turbo because it blew up last drift event. So I took all the manifold and the turbo and the feed lines off, the downpipe, unplugged the O2 sensor right there, wastegate vacuum signal, intercooler pipes off. Took that off. Blew up my turbo. Well, it was blown when I got it, but I didn't know that. So here's the turbo. It's an SR20 red top, S13 red top T25 turbo, just on the stock CA manifold. And I organized all the bolts and parts and shit. This on the O2 sensor right there. Wastegate, stock one. Gonna get some stainless steel lines, and here's the shaft plate. See if I can get it on here. Not very much. I mean, a little bit noticeable, but spins freely still. That's good. So the wheels aren't damaged. But every time I'd get on it and let off, man, it smoked like crazy. White smoke everywhere, so I know it's burning oil. I thought it was cooling at first, but there's no water lines. They're blocked off, so I didn't know that. I got my 3-inch downpipe, ISIS. So, got a turbo rebuild kit from eBay. It's supposed to be an Injuku dynamic seal kit. Got that here. That. I don't know if you could read that. It says dynamic 360 washer rebuild kit. That's that. So yeah, I took that off. Today it took me about an hour or two. Got my custom everything. Built everything from the ground up on this car. No parts for it, so I had to make them. S13 CA with the Blitz chipped ECU and custom fan and harness, and everything's custom. Did everything. Got AGX springs, or AGX struts and springs, and custom built exhaust. Full 3-inch back straight pipe. Chilling right now. And got a harness bar I built. Welded it in there. Battery relocation. Quick release hub. Same hub as a 240, thank God. Wired in tack. No speed or no speedo, so I just wired this in. I haven't drifted with it yet, so I'll have to see that. That'll be good. It's got a shift light. Then a dummy Christmas light gauge, because those are fun. I had an empty spot and I got that for free. So, and then I got a maximum performance boost gauge and Blitz ECU right there mounted up. Crown Royal shift knob. Crown Royal shift boot, and I got a Budweiser shift knob, but I don't have that on here. And hopefully gonna save up and get some coils and then fix my second gear and rebuild my turbo and maybe cut my rear springs so I can get those lower. But it's an 87 200SX. And I built custom everything. Rolling springs, the front. Hopefully going to do an S13 front conversion. Custom eBay front mount I built. Custom Ford cooling fan with a Jake-Stan thermo switch. HKS version 3. All them goodies. And yeah, that's about it.